my name is Ahoman Badue Maduforo. Welcome to our home made possible by Longreach International.
You carry me when some carry their God. You feed me, Lord, when some feed their God. You fought for me when some fight for the God. Jesus, you know they use me play.
Good life.
You fought for me.
Longreach.
When some fight for their God. Jesus.
Wow. What an amazing dream come true. Today, we are showcasing our house, our mansion, made possible by Longreach International. What an amazing opportunity that can help you live your dreams. Help you live the type of life you want to live in. This house we are showcasing today is actually a 6-bedroom duplex. All rooms in suites with the dining, 3 living rooms, the study. We have the study, and it took us just 12 months to build this house. Why? Because we partnered with Longreach. It's really an amazing opportunity for you and your family to live your dreams. If you come aboard Longreach today, you will definitely live that dream lifestyle that you want. Thank you. Cheers to good life.
Good health.
Longreach, better life, better future. Let me show you around. Here, our gym, because you need to keep fit. All right, here you have the children's parlor. Okay, and here is the master's bedroom. Oh, quite spacious, the way we want it. Oh, it feels good to live in the type of house you love or you've dreamt about. This wouldn't have been possible this fast if it wasn't for Longreach. We thank God that we took that decision and partnered with Longreach. Let's show you. Okay, that's the closet. And here we have the restroom. Okay, here, the restroom. And that's the jacuzzi. Of course, our Longreach products are all lined up. We use them to take care of our body. They are amazing products that help you look young every day. So I take you to the other rooms here. Okay, here is yet another room. All these are made possible by Longreach weekly earnings. You have an amazing lifestyle because you partnered with Longreach. So if you love to have a beautiful house where you relax, have fun, Longreach will help you make that come true. Okay? And and all rooms are in suites. That's another restroom and the closet. The girls' room and the boys' room right here, they are all in suites also. Aside all these benefits, weekly earnings that helped us build this mansion, when you're on board Longreach, you have good health because you use amazing products. It helps you keep fit. You also have opportunity to empower so many people. I've been able to help so many people. In my team, you have almost 100,000 people. Imagine touching lives. So I take you to the kitchen. Wow. Big. Spacious. That's a plate rack. Yeah. Okay. And of course, I can't have my kitchen without my Longreach pots. So, right here, I have my Longreach pots. So it helps you cook healthy meals, emulsifies oil, keeps food fresh for long. Beautiful, you have your oven, your microwave, freezer, your fridge. I love the space in here. I'm sure you do love it too. You have the dining. A beautiful dining. And there you have the study. And down here we have resource rooms. Just like I told you, all the rooms are in suites. Here is one. Resource room. That's the first room. And here's another. And we have here, like the lion, we roar just because God has got our back. And like the eagles, we soar high up because God is our wind, the wind behind and beneath our wings. And because our life has been beautified just like the colors on the feathers of the peacock. Indeed, life is beautiful with Longreach International. Longreach helps you compress time. You can achieve so much within a short period of time just because you partnered with this amazing multinational. I'm so happy that we took this bold step 4 years ago. Today, it has yielded so much. This is just one of our achievements. We have achieved so much. My whole family has qualified for countless international trips. We've qualified for scholarships, multiple cars. In fact, we can't even count them anymore. It's so amazing, so beautiful. The life we live with Longreach International is a dream lifestyle. You too can have this kind of dream lifestyle if you join us on board Longreach today. Thank you, Longreach, for helping us achieve this and so much more, and also helping us help so many people. We thank God for our team, the Globe Takers, that has made it possible also for us to achieve this. Longreach, better life, better future.